Whatever the occasion, effortless elegance is right this way. Because Hilton brings you new ways to stay courtesy of the Nomad London. And it doesn't stop at award-winning dining in a space draped in velvet and illuminated by vintage chandeliers. No, this day goes beyond with unparalleled personalized service and attentive hospitality. Oh, and did we mention the Nomad London can be booked using your Hilton Honors points at Hilton.com? Hilton, for the stay.
What is up, my Night God people? Hope y'all are doing well. So, I stumbled on some awesome footage of a supposed werewolf. A gentleman named Manuel Jose Gasuza, who lives in Recife, Brazil, says he has been spotting them in his community since he was a child. Manuel grew up in the garden community of Bushwell, Bio del Reyes, and they called these beasts, half man, half wolf, lobisomem. Lobisomem. Never heard him called that before, but that's what his community called them, and they are avid believers in Wolfman, in Dogman. So now that he's an adult, one has been actively showing up around his home. He raises chickens, and it goes for his chickens often. So he decided to set up a bunch of cameras to see if he couldn't catch this cryptid on film. And the footage he gets, y'all, like nothing I've ever seen before. Alright? So, check it out. Let me know what you think.
Pedra aqui. Ele deve dar por aqui.
could tell he tried to get in. I wish I could get more of that recording. So this is some footage caught by Manuel on his trail cam. Check it. Alright, so I want y'all to notice something. Don't check out his face. There's his face right here. But I want y'all to check out right here. That's his arm. Look how humanoid or human like his skin is on his arm. It's faint. But you can see it heavy right there too. It's not a very good picture, but here, it zooms in right here. Check his arm out. It's almost skin, like human skin. Gnarly. So, my question is, could it be a human that transforms? Since it has so much skin-like features, check it out. I mean, some of the best werewolf footage I've ever seen. Alright? Right there. Crazy. So later on, Manuel sets up his camera while he's not home, just to see if the werewolf tries to get in when he's not there.
It hangs out for a moment, then quickly retreats back into the underbrush. Then attacks the camera. It even tries to get in a gentleman's house. Dogman?
Like nothing I've ever seen before. So this video right here is a little disturbing. It was captured in South America. They are using the strobes. A lot of people say, oh, that's a Halloween setup because of the strobes. No, the strobes are used to induce the shapeshift. The strobes are used to basically get them all stirred up and riled up, and it will induce whatever type of transformation supposedly he undertakes. Alright, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the werewolf trip. I'll probably do the land by the lakes, or land between the lakes story and out of Kentucky, and then maybe move on to something else, but we'll see what happens. I hope y'all enjoyed some potentially real live werewolf footage. Hope y'all have a good one. Stay in the light, and I am out.